What's up, YouTube? Catamize coming at you. New pickup, Miss Pacman Cocktail Arcade 1-Up. I just finished putting it together. Let's go ahead, get a first-hand look, see how this operates. Of course, on both sides, you have the cabinet art with the classic wood grain with the Miss Pacman. Go ahead and look at the screen. It says Miss Pacman Arcade 1-Up. I feel they could have made this screen a little bit bigger instead of the typical 17-inch. It comes with 8 games: Miss Pacman, Dig Dug 1, Dig Dug 2, Pac-Mania, Pac-Land, Super Pac-Man, Galaga, and Galaxian, however you say that. This is a 2-player cocktail, head-to-head, so player 1 can go against player 2. As you see, player 2, player 1. It has an on and off button, and I'm assuming the volume, you can turn it up like from 0 to 15 instead of off, medium, and high like it used to be. One thing I noticed while putting this together, usually a controller deck comes with a ribbon cable. Player 1 came with a ribbon cable, player 2 didn't. So I had the cable ran to player 2 and connected together, of course, because it's a versus game. The same thing with the audio wire. They both connected in a splitter and plugged into the back of the screen. So without further ado, go ahead, power this on. Flip this to on, come to the screen, and it says loading. I'm gonna turn like this so we can see the full thing. Arcade 1-Up. This just released October 13th, and I didn't even know. I missed it. I was at Best Buy looking for washer and dryer, and I bought this instead. So here we go. We got the Miss Pacman. Game select, press over, Dig Dug 2, Dig Dug. Let me turn it, so it'll be straight. All your games listed. I like that. And whatever game isn't selected, it's a little blurry. And it says press A to select the game. Hold player 1 to return to menu. Hold player 2 for 5 seconds to reset game. So I'm gonna go Miss Pacman, press A. It tells you how to go. Press player 1 to continue. And here we go, it's loading the volume. Yeah, you can turn it up. And turn it down. And here we go. But yeah, I like that. Now it said, hold player 1, 5 seconds to exit. There we go. Should go back to the menu. And there you go, it makes sounds when you select your game. All in all, I'm pretty satisfied with this. I just wish this 17-inch monitor was a little bit bigger. What's that, 2? You got like 2 inches, 3 inches right there. You could have made it a 20-inch or something. Good artwork on the cabinet. I noticed too, putting it together, I don't know if they have risers for these, but on the bottom, on all 4 corners, like the door stops, it has the little stops. I don't know what they're called. You can twist them. The things that stop from scratching your floor, they have 4 of them on the bottom. Each corner, you can twist them to raise it up just a little bit. But yeah, that's it. Miss Pacman Cocktail Arcade 1-Up. 8 games included. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.